a windy day in Northern Ireland. I went. Holy moly. Good morning folks, I'm back to the vlog. Today is now Thursday morning. If you had to see the last vlog from yesterday, videos now in previous videos. Plans for today are going to college, then going to the gym, then spa and pool, doing exercise class from 7:15 to 8, get dinner, and then that's it. As you saw the start of this vlog, it's a fairly windy day. It's been windy all night, so typical Northern Ireland weather. So, warm summer. So leaving here soon. I'll check in reviews on the way to college. Let's get this Thursday vlog started.
So blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met.
That's going to end this vlog from today now. If you like this vlog from today, hit like, subscribe to my channel. Plans tomorrow are going to college, then come home, going to the gym, then the spa, then doing an exercise class from 5 to 5:45, then yeah, it's my last day of college tomorrow before half time. Cannot believe it. Time is now just over 20 past 10, up at 7 AM. So till tomorrow, thanks for watching.